The final stitch is a little show that we've put together that gives us an opportunity to answer any questions that you might have about finishing your quilt, about products that you might need to use, about issues that you might run into, or questions about things that are kind of bigger, and break them down so that you really get a full understanding of the entire quilting process. The final stitch is different from Jenny's tutorials because Jenny always teaches a quilt top, and what I want to do is zero in on the details. They work together seamlessly in that when you're done watching Jenny's tutorial and you finish that quilt top, then you can come to us with your questions about how to finish it up. I am really excited to dig in on these questions and really get answers for you and focus on things that we haven't really been able to give a lot of detail on. And if there's a question that I don't know the answer to, I'm also so excited to learn from you and research out those questions and figure out things together. I can't wait to chat with you every other Wednesday on The Final Stitch.